Hey guys, my name is Victor, and in this presentation, I want to show you exactly the best way to make money online in 2023. Now, the reason why I decided to record this video is not far fetched, all right? Almost all the time, I hear people say stuff like this internet business stuff, this make money online stuff is not real. There's scammers, I got scammed, and blah, 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 blah. And now the truth is that the reason why you got scammed is because you're not going about it the right way. All right. So in this presentation, I want to show you the best way to make money online in 2020. All right. But before I get right straight into the cocoa of the matter, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and then turn on notifications so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be the first to know. You don't want to miss my videos. All right. So, with that being said, let's get right straight into the cocoa of the matter. In order to make money online as a newbie, you need to do just one thing for me, just one thing, one simple focus. All right. You need to focus because there's quite a lot of distractions going on the internet. And if you don't focus, it's going to be difficult for you to just pick one thing and work with it because you're doing this today and tomorrow you see some ads, you jump to the next thing, and tomorrow you've not even finished setting up that one that you learned or that course that the things in the course that you paid for, whatever. You move to another one and you keep jumping from one to the other, being focused on one particular thing. All right. There's quite a handful of information online when you type in that keyword, how to make money online on Google. So it's very easy to get distracted. All right. Now, here's exactly what you should do. I've already said it's easy to get distracted because of the ads. When you scroll through your Facebook feed, you see adverts, make money this, make money that, make this. It is crazy. And in fact, at some point, let me tell you exactly what will happen to you. At some point, you're just gonna want to just shut down and stop seeing all those things because it it won't make you focus. All right. But that notwithstanding, you just have to ignore the whole noise and just do one simple thing. Just focus. All right. All you need to do is to pick from one of the online business, focus on it for the next 6 months to 1 year, grow it. I'm not saying that you shouldn't try other things. Don't get it twisted. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that you shouldn't, jump on other opportunities. But don't do it to detriment of what you're already working on. That's why I said give whatever it is you're working on right now, the one you've decided to focus on, you give it the next 6 months to 1 year. All right. As soon as you start getting results and you see the stuff can now run on its own, you can now move over to other things. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? All right. So now, with all that being said, what is the best way? Remember, the title is "What is the best way?" The best way. All right. And I'm going to explain that to you. You see, in order to make money online, you need to offer. Repeat after me. Say offer. You need to offer something in return, and in return, people will give you their money. So you have to give out something to collect that money from people to make them swipe their credit card or their debt on your website. You need to give something that is valuable. That is the only reason why they will give you that money. All right. Now, I want you to understand this so that you get rid of that sharp, sharp, make money now, make money fast mentality because that is the reason why so many of you are getting ripped off your money. All right. Now, the question is this: what can you offer to people in exchange for their money? I want you to think. Think. What can you offer people in exchange for their money? What can you give to them that they will give you money? What can you show to them online that they will give you money? Right? Basically, there are two things that you can offer online, and there are products and other products. You have the physical products like the supplement. Like there is a new one I'm researching right now that claims to reduce consumption of fuel. The physical product, all right? You can sell that. You can offer that to people. People who are interested. in, who want to reduce their fuel and gas consumption, you can offer that product to them. All right. And then there's products are like courses. They are, training courses that have been put into digital format, like videos, like ebooks, like audios, and that kind of stuff. Right? That's for products. Now, for services, there are quite a handful of services. Services include like designing, website designing, graphic designing, and that kind of stuff. Okay. Now let's just start with products. Okay. I'm using this so that you understand. I know it's very easy to relate with this. Okay. But those people that are getting fat in this economy. All right, back to what I was explaining. Now, this is a physical product. Okay, let's say I have this product that can help people to lose weight naturally. Okay, now there are millions of people online. I'm sure when you go to Google right now to type in how to lose weight fast, you get over millions of searches. All right, those people are actively looking for how to lose weight. Now, what exactly is your job? Your job is to put this product, that product I showed to you, your job is to put it in the eyes of the people that need them, that need the product, people that want the product. And in turn, when you set up this thing correctly, in turn, they will pay you money to get that product. You know why? Because that product is solving a problem. Always think in terms of solving problems. Whatever you're doing should be solving problems. So almost every service is solving problems. People don't know how to, and people want to learn how to lose weight. You have a product, you're solving their problems. All right. Now, how can you do that? To put the products in the eyes of these people. I'm going to explain in a bit. It's not rocket science, all right? You can actually do that by simply running ads on Instagram and on Facebook. I know some people might want to say, oh, run ads, is it free? If you want to make money, you need to invest something. Not like that, do this, okay? But the free methods take time and the paid methods give you instant results if you do it properly. Understand that people will only give you money when you offer them value, right? You can also make money by selling digital products. Right? What are digital products? I already explained, like digital products are courses that you pay for. So you can have your own products, your own digital product. Let's say, for example, you know how to which example am I going to give? Okay, let's say for example, you have a fish pond and you know how to make money by you know growing these fishes. Like let's say catfish. You have a fish pond, you go through the process, you tell them how to buy their fingerlings, you tell them the kind of feed to buy, that kind of stuff, and you tell them in the next 6 months the fish is grown, how to sell it, and blah 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 blah. You can actually record this process, put it in a put it record it in, and have it in a video file, then host it, and you can sell this. It's exactly what you're doing. You're selling your expertise, right? You're teaching people how to do what you do. So you can, instead of now doing physical trainings, where you have people traveling to come and meet you to learn this stuff, you can just have this things in video. So they don't need to travel down to come and meet you for the training. All you have to do is offer them these digital products and they'll pay you money for it. Okay, I hope you understand that. Now, the other way to make money online is to offer a service. Like I already talked about it earlier, service are the things you can do for people. Plumbing is a service, WordPress, website design is a service, content writing is a service, graphic design is a service, painting is a service. Now, these are things that you can do and you can offer to people so that they will pay you. If somebody wants to paint, he goes online, he looks for a painter. If you're there, you can paint his house and he pays you money for the service. I don't know whether you understand this thing I'm saying. Website design is a service. A lot of people don't have that time to start learning how to design website. You can go to YouTube and learn how to design website and offer that skill as a service. You understand? So what you do when you have this skill is you start looking for clients and telling them exactly the benefits of having their own website. You tell them and you sell your service of designing the website for them and they pay you money for doing that. I don't know whether you understand this thing. There's only one thing you need to do to be visible online. You only need to be visible. To be visible means to send traffic to your offer. You understand? To be visible means to send traffic to your offer. You only have to be visible. Okay? Now, once you're visible, people will begin to take advantage of your offer, what it is you have to sell to them, what it is that you have to give to them. You understand? All right? So, visibility means that you need to learn how to advertise because you won't make any money online without advertising, no matter how you want to do it. If you don't advertise, nobody is going to see what you have to sell. Nobody is going to see nothing, and nobody is going to buy. So advertising is key. Apart from running adverts on Facebook and Instagram, you can leverage on other platforms with free traffic. Okay, there are other platforms that you can go and leverage on their free traffic. They might not give you like the best results, but at least they're going to give you results to get started. For example, if you want to sell products, you can go to gg.ng. Gg has the free and the paid. All right, I think they limited the free the free site to a number of certain number of ads that you can post. Then if you want to post more, you use the paid ads. Right, they have the free and the paid. You can start with the free. I've sold a lot of cars on Gigi with the free method. Okay, so what all you need to do is to go to gg.ng, sign up with your phone number and your email, and then you start posting your products. All right. Now, if you sell service, you can go to a site like Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a website where you can, offer your services for money. Those services we talked about earlier, you offer it there for money, and people come and see it and pay. These websites already have like a huge amount of traffic coming into it. All right. So all you need to do is to post, make your post and optimize it, and people will come and um, you know, give you money for your product or for your service. All right. So if you still don't have ideas on what product or service to sell, don't worry. I'm going to show you a couple of products and a couple of things that you can do to get started with this whole internet business